Setting the default colors for your site. Log into your admin dashboard and go to Site and into Branding. Scroll down from Branding down to Colors. Inside here we have options to change the colors, the default colors within our site. You can change things like the background color, the link hover color, the text color, the button hover color, the button border color, the button text color, and the button hover text color. Inside the footer area, inside here, we have the option to change the colors within here as well. The footer area is down here, the header area is at the top here, and the main body area is in the middle. These options within here of being able to change header, footer and body give you complete control over the look and feel of your site. You also can change the color of the course player or curriculum inside here and the community. You can also change the color of the blog interface as well. So the color sections of the site are very powerful and change the default colors that are standard with the Zenler site. Please note that you can override these colors when building your pages inside of Zenler. My suggestion is to play around with different color combinations until you are happy with the result. For instance, if we look at this page, we can see we have a black background. I'll quickly change that background color inside here and see the reflected changes instantly on the site. Let's change it to this kind of color. I will now click down the bottom here to this section and click Save. Let's refresh our page here and you'll see the background will now change. My advice is to change things individually until you like the look and feel. When you do make a change, do remember to hit the Save button at the bottom. Zenler's color interface gives you complete control over all default aspects of the look and feel of your site.